As hay supplies tightened through the late 1990s, it became clear that alfalfa and other hay crops would become even more important cash crops for growers than they already are. With cattle production expected to rise and milk producers constantly striving to increase output from their herds, quality hay will continue to be in greater demand, whether it is used by the grower or sold. To meet this demand by hay consumers, Agco has introduced the most comprehensive line of large rectangular baler systems in the industry. The Heston models 4755, 4790, and 4910. Only Heston has been designing and building large bale systems for over 20 years. That's because Heston invented the category back in 1978 with the introduction of the Model 4800, the world's first large rectangular baler. Since that first big bale was made, Heston has sold more large balers than all its competitors combined. Each baler makes well-shaped, high-density bales, sized for maximum truck payloads with minimal manpower. Heston large bale systems are designed from the ground up as integrated systems. Balers and accumulators use the tractor's hydraulics with complete manual and automatic operation from the tractor cab. All three balers have a cab-mounted control box and monitor. This delivers full control of baler functions and a comprehensive display of the baler's status right to the instrument console, so the operator doesn't have to turn around and look at the baler. Of course, convenience and advanced design are meaningless if a baler doesn't fulfill its primary mission of packaging high-quality hay. This is where Heston large bale systems really perform. Like every Heston rectangular baler, the big three feature an inline design that moves the crop in a straight line from the pickup to the bale chute. As soon as the crop enters the wide, low-profile pickup, centering augers gently feed it to a set of packer fingers mounted on a triple-throw crankshaft that pulls it into the pre-packer chamber. The big balers then hold the crop in this pre-packer or charge chamber until the flake has reached the density set by the operator. Then the sensor activates the stuffer fingers to sweep the charge into the bale chamber for final compression. The Heston difference can be seen in the well-shaped high-density bales these balers produce. Since one charge makes one flake, bale density is always consistent for solid bales, regardless of crop conditions or ground speed. Heston's large rectangular balers also share a field-proven double knotter design for less wear and reduced downtime due to misties. Each needle cycle, the knotter performs 2 knots. The first completes the bale being built in the bale chamber, and the second knot joins together the twine to prepare for the next cycle. To improve performance in silage crops and straw, an optional knotter fan kit is available. This hydraulically driven fan is more powerful than competitive electric fans and directs air precisely where it's needed, helping to keep the knotter free of obstruction. Most importantly, Heston's big baler design allows bales to retain more leaves and nutritional value, as well as stacking better for trucking and storage. The Model 4910 baler is the biggest of the Heston Big Three, producing bales 46.5 inches wide by 50 inches high and up to 9 feet long. These big bales may weigh up to 2,000 pounds. The 4910 continues the Heston legacy of dominance in large bale systems. Whether the crop is alfalfa, straw, or grass hay, light crop, or double windrows, the 4910 takes it in stride, building solid, square-shoulder bales. Take a look at the drive system inside the 4910. A massive gearbox with a triple reduction gear set uses heavy-duty chain drives to run the baler mechanisms. Yet the minimum tractor requirement is only 135 PTO horsepower. Built to meet the demands of today's large-scale growers and custom operators, this baler has the guts and durability to run cutting after cutting, season after season. Both the main drive and the packer pickup drives are protected by slip clutches and overrunning clutches. The stuffer knotter drive, located on the left side of the baler, is simple and easily timed. An equal angle hitch lowers baler maintenance costs and increases operator comfort. The wide pickup makes short work of even double windrows, and the low-profile design minimizes the height that crop is lifted. Pickup height is easily adjusted according to field conditions, and gauge wheels protect it from damage. The pickup is conveniently lifted via hydraulic cylinder from the tractor cab. Running at 25 strokes per minute, the plunger on the 4910 is designed for maximum output and smooth operation. Plunger slot cleaners prevent debris buildup and maintain smooth needle operation. The Model 4910 holds 24 balls of twine, enough for a full day's running. This is one baler that won't quit until you do. Making up the rest of Heston's comprehensive line of large bale systems are the models 4790 and 4755. The Model 4790 large bale system is the newest baler from Heston. Creating hay packages approximately 3 feet high, 4 feet wide, and 8 feet long, and weighing up to 1,500 pounds, the 4790 sits right in the middle of the Heston large baler family. Even with this high capacity, the minimum tractor requirement is 120 PTO horsepower, a size found on most farms. Every bit as tough and durable as its larger sibling, the 4790 shares the same rugged construction, innovative design, and superior operation as the 4910. The Model 4755 baler packages hay into versatile 3-foot by 3-foot by 8-foot bales that weigh up to 1,000 pounds. These bales are popular with growers that feed their own hay, yet are also sized to load 3 wide and 3 high for maximum legal truckloads. The 4755 and 4790 will both bale high moisture haylage and silage products in addition to dry hay and straw crops. Silage bales may weigh up to 1,500 pounds with the 4755 and as much as 2,000 pounds with the 4790. These balers both feature a pre-compression chamber floor fitted with a slick plastic panel to allow even new balers to start in silage crops. Special needle brushes keep the knotter area from collecting debris and help prevent misties. Available optionally for the 4755 and 4790 are a bale ejector and roller bale chute. The roller bale chute operates in 2 positions for long or short bales, allowing them to roll to the ground after clearing the bale chamber. The bale ejector can be set to empty the entire bale chamber, or the operator can choose to eject only the end bale. The bale ejector is recommended when baling high moisture crops such as silage and is used in conjunction with the roller bale chute. Also available for the 4755 is the Heston Bale Accumulator Model 4720. The 4720 collects up to 5 bales and works with both silage and dry crops. The operator chooses where and when to drop the bales for convenient loading or wrapping. The 4720 features fold-up wings for safer and more convenient roading and gate passage. In its folded position, the 4720 can still hold 3 bales for baling along fence lines or in fields with narrow windrows. For the large 4-foot wide bales of the 4790 and 4910, Heston offers the 4925 Bale Accumulator. The 4925 has the capacity to hold up to 3 bales for convenient placement and efficient loading. Both models of accumulators run off the same tractor hydraulic circuit as the baler. And both accumulators feature the same field-tested, rugged Heston construction for years of reliable service even after thousands of bales. The 4925 has a bale weight kit option, so the operator can see the weight of the bales being produced. The bale size or density can then be adjusted to maintain the desired bale weight. With all the features and controls available in a Heston large bale system, it might seem that the operator's job can get pretty complicated. But Heston's taken care of that too. All Heston large balers feature a monitor and control box that mounts on the console of the tractor. This monitors all major baler functions, so the operator never has to look at any baler-mounted gauges or lights. Sealed switches give the operator control over functions such as bale density. The operator chooses the density he wants, and the control box and baler do the rest, maintaining the desired density even as field conditions change. Because Heston designed these units as systems, the 4720 and 4925 accumulators are also monitored by the control box. Some of the control box functions are a driving meter, directing the operator as to which way to drive to even out the bale, stuffer cycle, flakes per bale, density cylinder pressure, plunger load, feeder system slip, stuffer shear bolt, field and total bale counts, gearbox overheating, knotter and needle performance, lubrication intervals, and more. Hesston large bale systems from Agco are designed from the start for high productivity, user-friendliness, and a long working life. Maintenance is made easier with logical, reliable designs. Shields that open wide for quick and easy cleaning. An auto lube system to improve maintenance and make it easier that is standard on the 4755 and 4790 and optional on the 4910. Construction of high-strength welded box beam steel to resist twisting and take rough terrain in stride. And one key feature that no one but Heston can claim: a nationwide dealer network with over 20 years of experience selling and servicing large bale systems. It's a big decision to invest in a big baler, and Agco Hesston dealers have been helping owners to see a return on that investment longer than anyone else. The Big Three: Hesston large bale systems from Agco.